Greenworks 2100 PSI electric pressure washer, and yes, despite what the listing implies, 2100 PSI is not a high-pressure washer. It sits right at the threshold where medium duty begins, which is exactly what most suburban driveways actually need. So before you buy, the thing to check is whether your cleaning jobs fall in that middle band, because this unit won't blast away deep-set mildew on tall siding the way a gas model would. You're standing in the garage, hose coiled, and you need to rinse the patio furniture before guests arrive. That is where the Greenworks 2100 PSI 12 GPM electric pressure washer earns its place. The 20 feet tangle-free hose is long enough to reach the far corner of a two-car driveway without dragging the unit, and the 35 feet power cord means you can work the whole perimeter of a house without hunting for outlets. The 25-degree nozzle handles general grime. The 40-degree nozzle is gentle enough for vinyl siding, and the turbo nozzle takes on caked-on dirt on concrete. The push-button start means no pull-cord arm day, and the integrated GFCI plug auto-shuts off electrical power if something shorts, a detail the listing treats as routine, but it is the kind of safety feature you only appreciate once. Every pressure washer in this category faces the same tension. Gas gives raw power, electric gives convenience. Greenworks chose electric, and the 2100 PSI at 1.2 GPM is the direct result of that choice. It is not the most powerful unit on the market, but it is the kind that the person who has already bought the cheap one twice recognizes as the right trade-off. The 3-year limited warranty covers defects in materials, parts, or workmanship under normal use, which is longer than most budget brands offer. Here is who this is not for: anyone tackling multi-story exteriors or stripping paint from decks. That person needs a gas pressure washer with at least 3000 PSI and higher GPM flow. Look for a unit rated above 3000 PSI with a higher gallons per minute rating. If your actual problem is medium-duty cleaning, fencing, decking, patio furniture, small driveways, then the limitation is irrelevant and you are not paying for capability you will never use. If you made it this far, you are the kind of person who wants to stop thinking about this category and just get the job done. This channel is built on that assumption. I am reading the manufacturer's own listing here, not customer reviews or rating. What a careful buyer checks first is water flow, and the listing states 1.2 GPM alongside the 2000 PSI, which means cleaning power is balanced, not maxed out on pressure alone. That absence of a higher GPM tells you this is not a commercial-grade unit, and you should confirm your local outlet can handle the draw before plugging in. The real question is not whether you can afford this once, but whether you can afford the cheaper option again and again. The 35 feet power cord with GFCI protection, the 20 feet tangle-free hose, the 3-year warranty, and the no-maintenance design, these are the signals that it is built to last past a single season. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.